Creating a payment link in Stripe is an easy way to accept payments online for products or services. Here's how to do it. Sign into Stripe. Go to Stripe and log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up for free. Navigate to Payment Links. In the Stripe dashboard, go to the Payment Link section on the left-hand menu. If you don't see it, you may need to enable the feature or access it via the Products tab. Create a new payment link. Click on Create a Payment Link. You will be prompted to select a product or create a new one. Choose an existing product from your Stripe catalog or create a new one by clicking Add Product. Provide details like product name, description, price, and currency. Customize the link. You can customize the payment link further by setting options like allowing the customer to adjust quantities or collecting customer information. After setting the options, click Create Link. Share the link. Once created, you will get a URL to the payment link. You can copy it and share it with customers via email, social media, or embed it on your website.